Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Isgec Heavy. Our analyst maintains positive view on Isgec Heavy, considering strong execution and margin expansion in Q2 of FY24. We expect sales to grow by 12%, operating profit to grow by 48% and PAT to grow by 116% as margins expand by 190 bps year-on-year to 7.9%. Order backlog stands at 8,411 crore, which is up by 8.7% year-on-year. While order pipeline is strong across sectors like sugar, cement, steel and refinery in both manufacturing and project segments. It plans to commission Philippines ethanol plant by mid-November of 23 and expect revenue of Rs 125 crore in Q4 of FY24 from this plant, and EBITDA margin at 28 to 30%. We build in revenue CAGR of 13% and PAT CAGR of 28% in FY23 to FY25 estimates. The stock trades at 16 times FY25 estimated EPS. Next on radar is Maruti Suzuki. Our analyst reiterates a buy on Maruti Suzuki with a price target of Rs 11,333, factoring a success of new launches, better operating performance, and structural upward shift in the product mix. With a strong order book and successful new launches, the management has shared an optimistic outlook for near term. With improvement in SUV sales and traction in volumes, we expect Maruti to report a strong EBITDA margin in Q2 of FY24. The stock trades at 25.2 times its FY25 earning estimates. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.